G'day, Brian Johnson talking on the Pitbull Trader once again. I want to say that you should look at these tips I'm giving you on drawdown control and go through all the charts, go through all the videos, have a look, read them. Everything is there. Let's look at the ones we set up for you for helping you do the drawdown. And you can see here that the drawdown is in positive. Uh-huh. The sales well exceed the stock, and we have one here that is 18 profit. So if we take that, it's going to bring that still into positive, and we're making our 15 pips, aren't we? And this is 20 pips, and we should look at what Australians are here. AUD, they are all in profit line. So the profits are very high on the long. So we're going to simply, as I said once before, new order, and we should click on here and put in a buy. Okay, no connection. Oh dear. Okay, we've replaced that order and we're just following the trades. Close order, close order. It's better than our, you notice I'm closing it. And it will keep our drawdown going nicely in positive. That's what we want on this first one. You can see that we have 20. Our margin is still good. We have more buys than sells because have a look here. They're all buys, aren't they? The buys. What are we doing? We're trading the buys, and we're just gradually starting to build our count up as we go along. Let's look at the other one. We did different, and you can see our buys. And this time we've used the two US dollar, Great and New Zealand in one. And have a look. We are in a good position here to make our next trade, haven't we? This is in real time, and we want to put in a new order, and we'll put one on again, buy by market. Okay, and we're currently still going in, so we're going to go into a loss situation a little bit. See how we went into a loss? So I'm showing you the worst situation in the trades, but we have 320 trades on against a drawdown of 119, and we're just simply following the trend in buying. This trend should come back when this New Zealand, and we have an Australian dollar, and we'll have a look at it. Australian dollar is going fine, so we're going to put another new buy on and a buy. The drawdown will go up a little bit, but we're just following the trend at the moment and trading the trend. So we have 320 sales against 133 to drawdown profit ratio, if you remember that. We were talking about it before. And we're just following on into this. We have, where is the Australian dollar? It was here. Is it going to move down the slots and go in here, and we'll start noticing we're using the 1 and the 1 on the New Zealand JPY and the Australian dollar. They're both buys, and we've still got our sells going in the sells. If it changes trend, we will change with it. Sorry to talk fast, but when the action is here, one should look at action, and we're still in a positive on the trend. That's just a quick one. So keep thinking of the main points, and I want to go over them for you in these. Become profit conscious. You need to program your brain. Most trades are loss focused. You need to retrain your brain to become profit conscious. It's very important to change one's thinking. Next, learn drawdown control. Tip: the profit on the bottom line must be reducing at least the amount of the profit you take. Now you're learning to take profit, game mode stage. One needs to learn fast action trading, no thought, take profit. Later, learn drawdown control. Here we give you some guidelines for your drawdown. Drawdown is greater than 10% of your stop trading. And there's a very important thing: have patience. Remember patience. Remember the circle of trading: loss, profit, loss. Just keep thinking about that very carefully. Before taking profit, see the drawdown. You want to control the drawdown, not the drawdown control you. Profit should equal cost 15 pips. Trading range needs to be current 20 pips minimum in a 4-hour chart. Any other point you pick up watching the videos list, write them down and put in your list. Go through all the videos on here, and in there may be another point for you. Remember the bias of the trend, and we'll show you once again the bias of the trend is buy. See, all the buys are in the bias of the trend. The bias is still plus in this one where we've put in all the 101s, 14 currencies. The bias is still plus. Look at this one where we did the other trades, the different trades. Now we're just looking at the sales against the drawdown, and it's still okay. We are hoping we're going on with the trend. It's a buy trend, isn't it? It's still bias buy trend. The Australian dollar is, and when these come down and we go into profit again, we'll make a trade. So the trades on this one, of course, are up to 320 for today. Okay, it will go up higher later on, and as these drop down, I'm sure you'll find that the trades will go on. Anyway, we've got high interest currency trades on, being the buys are the high swap interest trades. We have all day tomorrow, and the rest, remember, patience, patience, patience. Remember the circle: loss, profit, loss. Keep thinking profit, not loss, profit. Where is your profit lies? Look at the buy volumes against the sell. Look at the general overall market, where it's going. Look at the Australian dollar and look at the New Zealand. They're two up very high against the US dollar. It's obvious that they're the trades we have to stay with. Okay, they're the trades that keep us balanced and going in the profit loss area in the best way we can, and we're just keeping our eye on the ball. God bless. Have fun. Watch all the videos on the thread. There is tips in there. There is everything I'm doing in there on there. This is just showing you can control drawdown. You can make money trading. Bye for now. God bless from Brian.